Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Nice to see you all. Going to be using this mould today. It's the Druzy Coaster Duo from Moulds and Shapes, and I'm using this because I bought these stickers. They're puffy stickers, sort of like hollow on the back. Aren't they beautiful? You know how much I love blue. And yes, I'll be using blue again today. I do apologise for that, but they warrant blue, don't they? I mean, they are lovely. I don't want to have to put a top coat on it. You know, once the coasters are done, I don't want to have to put a top coat because they're quite raised. And if you put them on after, they're going to stick right out. And that's not going to work, is it? So I'm going to pop them upside down and put a base layer of clear in. Pop them down and fill the backs up with resin. There we go. I've got it. I'm going to paint the edge with, surprise, surprise, the royal blue chrome powder from Let's Resin, and then I'm just going to put a layer of clear to stick them in. All right, so I shall get some resin mixed up. I will be using Teexpert crystal clear today, and I will be back in a moment. Right, just noticed I got a few of these, but I've noticed this one's different. No reindeer, got baubles. Just thinking how nice that would be. Yeah, lovely. I'm going to paint these now. Like I said, I'm going to use the royal blue from Let's Resin. I'll speed you up for this bit. Right, I'm going to paint the other one and I'm going to clean all this excess off because I don't want it on there, and I'll be back with you. All cleaned up, and we're going to pour some resin now. I want it to just go over the top there. That should be enough. I think I've mixed up too much. Nothing new. I'm going to use my heat gun to get all the bubbles out. I think that's enough. It's far too much. It's alright, I've got other projects on the go. I'll give it a blast with my heat gun. I think I got all of them pesky bubbles. It's usually pretty good at degassing this. I just don't want to scratch the mould. Let's bring them up to the surface or to the edge. There we go. Right, now it's time to place the stickers down. Now I really like the reindeer. I'm going to use this big one. They're not going to be identical, these coasters. Right, slip that in. And I want the resin to come over the top. Is it going to? Let's just drip a bit in. Obviously, like I said, this is the sticky part, the back bit. They're going to cause some bubbles, these. So I'm going to have to babysit it for a while. They are not going in the curing machine because I do want to keep an eye on them. And hopefully that won't move. Who am I kidding? Of course it's going to move. I did want to be able to fit two, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. I'm going to stick that little reindeer in. I'm going to do the same again. And I'm just going to speed you up while I finish these off. Now, I've just realised I didn't mean to put some dazzling diamonds in the back coat, but possibly because I've I've been pushing the stickers down. I might need to do a top coat. We'll just wait and see, shall we? I think that blue is going to be awesome anyway. You can see all the bubbles coming up. Just going to give them a spritz. And I'm just going to let this cure. We're going to back it in the same blue. Right, this is all cured now. They've only risen up slowly, but they have moved in, which I thought they would do. I did stay and babysit it for an hour, maybe longer, but you know what life's like. Can't sit here forever with resin. Anyway, enough waffle. Gonna do the back coat. I've mixed up 100 mils of Teexpert, the same resin, and I'm gonna be using, I've changed my mind, I'm not gonna be using that chrome powder. I'm gonna be using Midnight Blue alcohol ink from Let's Resin. I'm gonna put a few drops in, and I'm gonna be putting some glitter in as well. Make it like a night sky behind the reindeer. That'd be nice. Plus, I love blue. Right, I've stirred this resin very, very slowly, so I don't want to be incorporating bubbles now. So I'm going to put the dazzling diamonds in while I'm mixing it in. Then everything's mixed together. I don't want a great lot, but I do want to see it. Hopefully that's enough. Right, we'll mix it all in together. Right, ready to pour, and I'm just going to top it up. Right, I'm going to need a bit more, not quite covering on this one. This one's fine. I'll mix a bit more off camera and top it up. I'm just going to spritz it with alcohol, although it shouldn't really need it with all that alcohol ink in it. And I'll be back once they're cured. All cured. Let's take them out, shall we? I'll be quiet for this. We want to hear it, don't we? Oh, that is pretty. I know I always say that, but how pretty is that? Oh, lovely. Let's get this one out. We'll have a look at this. They're well stuck in there. First time I've used this mould. It's so sweet. I'm glad I used the alcohol ink on the backing. They are having foam on the back anyway. Need a bit of trimming up. They're quite sharp there. What do you think? Oh, they are pretty. They are lovely. Let's try a bit of white card, shall we? Oh, I love that mould. Like I say, first time using it. I'm very, very pleased with it. I didn't actually expect, because of the coaster mould, I didn't actually expect it to go down. Do you know what I mean? I thought it would be up at the top, but there it is. Oh, now my mum loves deers, reindeers, stags, all of it, but she cannot stand the colour blue, and I thought, oh, my mum might like these, and then I just realised she won't be able to put up with the blue. Right, well, I'll take some photos for you, make them look extra pretty, and I just want to say thank you for watching. I love you all, and I will see you for the next one. Bye.